Okay, everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the screen capture recording of your Event Capture Mobile Studio Home Recording Kit. So the other video I showed you how to do the camera portion, and this one is just the slide portion on the PC. So on this PC here, we're going to go ahead and log into the speaker login. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to load all the content that you need to present onto the laptop. So I'm going to plug in my external drive here. Now I've already done this. My PowerPoint is right here, but I've already copied it right there. So you would do that and then copy all the content you need. Then you can go ahead and eject your drive. Okay, so open that up. Make sure everything looks as intended. Make sure it's not in presenter view. Get comfortable with it. Okay. Then queue up the beginning. And now we can minimize this for now. We're going to configure our recordings. Okay, so we're going to open Daboo Video Capture Software. And this is pretty much already pre-configured for you. It's configured to record the screen and record the internal system audio. The microphone that has been provided should be plugged into the MacBook, and that should be used for recording the camera file. The microphone for this recording is only going to be the internal microphone, and it's just really used so that we can sync it up, but we don't actually use this audio. Okay, but the only thing you'll need to configure here is the name of your file. So on the MacBook, we named the file after the recording. On the Windows, for the screen capture, we're going to name it before the recording. So the name will be the same. It will be the year. It will be the association name and your last name followed by part 1 or part 2 if applicable. And then this part will be called slide. So notice here I have %YYYY%. That is an auto number that will generate the current year. Daboo needs an auto number in this field to work. So if it's not there and you put in 2020, it says invalid format. So you can use any auto number you want, but you have to use a auto number. That's why we have %YYYY%. So that will still yield the same file name. Okay. Now this is all configured. All you've done is change the file name. Hit OK. You can see that it is hearing you and it is seeing the screen. So once you're ready to hit record, we have our PowerPoint ready to go. We can go ahead and hit record on the Mac and then hit record here. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you and it'll give you a little countdown once you hit this so that you can be ready. You don't need to start right when you record. We're going to cut out all that pre-roll time. So you hit record on both, take your time, get set, and then start when you're ready. Okay, so I'm going to hit the start recording. It's going to automatically minimize itself. It will beep to denote it's starting recording. And now I can start. Of course, make sure you're rolling on the camera MacBook, and you can start whenever you're ready. Okay, so I would say welcome here to my presentation, eventcapture.com, virtual content best practices and options. Blah, 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 blah. We don't need to see any of this. And once you're done, you can close it out, and then you're ready to stop recording. Hit stop there. This will, well, no, it won't. We are going to play back our recording, but you don't need Daboo open anymore. Go ahead and open it in the recordings folder. Let's play it back just to make sure. I'm hearing it, I'm seeing it, and it plays all the way from start to end. Good. So now the next step here is to open CyberDuck so we can transfer the file over the FTP. This info here has been given to you, so go ahead and input that there. There is a IP address for the FTP, and then a username and a password. Connect. And that is fine if it says this. And then what you'll see, you actually won't see any of these folders here. You'll just see nothing, just this blank white window. And then you will drag that into there. And, well, here, I'll show you in this folder here. So I'll drag that into there. That was weird. I didn't put my password again. But it worked. So now it says upload complete. Just to be double sure, I want to verify that the size of the file is also the size of the file that it sees. So 5.5. Good. 5.5. Okay. So at this point, now that you've uploaded everything, go ahead and contact us. We will and wait for our confirmation that we have been able to download it successfully. Once we're able to download it successfully, we will notify you, and we will send you the return shipping label. At that point, you can pack up the box, go drop it off at a UPS, send it on back. So this has been our video today. Be sure to check out the other video about the camera recordings, as well as the video about unpacking and packing up the box. So thank you very much for joining me. Have a good day.